If you found yourself having to forcefully restart your PDM session, this is the video for you. In order to restart PDM, we need to open the Windows command prompt. I'm going to search for it, type here CMD, and then right click on the command prompt icon, click on Run as Administrator, click Yes to confirm. And what we want to do is to launch this command, which is called taskkill /f/im, and then EDM server, which is the PDM application process, and this applies for PDM standard as well as PDM professional. So this kills the connection to the PDM server. We can also do the same thing here for Explorer, and then we can restart Explorer again and maybe browse to the Vault view and reconnect to our Vault. In my case here, this will be PDM C/PDM SOLIDWORKS PDM, another PDM one more time, and then PDM one more time, and I'm prompted the blue login box, and there you go. We are connected to PDM. Thank you for watching this video and hope it helps.